address the worldwide demand for housing, several countries have developed industrialized methods for prefabrication of large building panels and modules, which, in addition to requiring heavy and expensive erection equipment, notably decrease design flexibility.
The RBS rapid building systems, on the other hand, have been developed to address all these factors while producing ecologically sound structures of outstanding beauty and durability in record time. RBS products are based on engineered materials made with mineral aggregates available anywhere to produce ergonomic-sized modules of high-strength concrete, which are resistant to fire, insects, wind, and water. Labor input has been drastically reduced in RBS through the added value and functions built into each module, which result in a decrease in the amount of skill needed to assemble its toy-like elements. In order to gain substantial economies in the erection process, RBS eliminates the need to use large cranes and equipment, like panelized and so-called modular systems do. The rapid building systems comprise a varied number of intercompatible subsystems of quick assembly, which present a broad menu of design possibilities to architects, builders, and communities. RBS are the fruit of many years of development at internationally recognized laboratories and universities. And their performance has been proven and validated in the field through construction of prominent projects such as the Environmental Systems Laboratory at Virginia Tech and the Lifestyle 2000 at the Home Research Park of the National Association of Home Builders outside Washington, D.C. Because RBS modules are small, easy to handle, and comprise all the pieces necessary to assemble a complete home or building, there is no practical limitation as to the design, size, layout, or style of the resulting structure. The fundamental concept behind RBS blocks is embodied in the decrease of skilled labor content per unit area of assembly. Reductions of 50% in labor have been documented, while producing high-quality, good-looking homes and buildings of one or more floors. Let us see how the RBS menu of products, which include all the elements from footings to walls to floors, can be utilized by RBS-trained crews to erect complete houses in a matter of days with a minimum amount of skill.
The footer block system eliminates pouring hassles and forming of footings and can be installed in most terrains and weather conditions. The footer block has been used for years in all types and sizes of projects and in locales ranging from semi-tropical to severe Nordic climates. Because the blocks interlock without mortar, they are practically idiot-proof. All that is needed is to set up line guides of the appropriate dimensions to produce sturdy, straight foundations instantly. The 9-centimeter footer module allows accommodation of floor plans in all configurations, including curvilinear walls. Builders save at least 1 day per house from their schedule, because walls can be started on top of the footer foundation immediately. The footer system can be easily reinforced to resist earthquakes and effectively distributes gravity and hurricane forces from the structure above.
Normal delays of pouring concrete conventionally include time waiting for curing and time and labor required to build and dismantle or strip forms. Our snap-on form wall goes together like a toy. Thermal break clips hold together our patented form wall thin shells to create walls of any thickness and configuration. Insulation is built right into the system, but unlike flimsy styrene forms, form wall keeps the insulation covered and protected from sunlight and mechanical damage. Productivities of about 2.5 times that of conventional systems are possible through the RBS training program, which divides work teams into groups with specific duties, such as installation, material supply, and quality control. Another construction day per house is saved with this form wall foundation, because the builder does not need to spend time and money waterproofing the outside of the walls. The unique configuration of form wall provides pressure relief, moisture control channels, which eliminate the expense of parging, stucco, and damp-proofing coatings. Form walls are kept true and straight before the pour with the system's adjustable bolt-on guides. Reinforcement, where required, is neatly spaced by the form wall clips, and pours of up to 3.5 meters can be performed without blowout worries due to the engineered strength of the high-density concrete form wall shells. Form wall can be produced in a wide variety of finishes and colors for instant architectural walls, or separate finishes may be sprayed on after installation.
Above the foundation, the handsome RBS walls of homes like this one are pre-finished and pre-insulated at the factory, economically producing fire and waterproof envelopes of high energy efficiency. Electrical wiring is easily accommodated in EcoStruct through built-in raceways, which eliminate the need for metal conduits. The modular design of EcoStruct allows electrical wiring, outlets, and junction box installation without the need to drill or chisel openings. To minimize the use of mortar, EcoStruct modules are glued together using RBS adhesives. The flexibility of the system permits economical and quick construction of straight or curved walls of outstanding aesthetics. In addition to their beauty, EcoStruct walls are virtually indestructible and require little or no maintenance. On the interior of the house, EcoStruct receives wallboard directly over its built-in furring, generating additional savings in materials and time of construction.
The coherence of RBS as a total building system is completed with our innovative SpanBlock system for floors and roofs. Hailed as a breakthrough in simplicity and structural design efficiency, SpanBlock provides a permanent fire and acoustical barrier between floors, which are assembled out of small individual units. Unlike typical heavy concrete floors, SpanBlock is easily installed without the use of cranes or expensive equipment. The prefabricated joists receive lightweight coffer units on special interlock grooves. Temporary shoring is placed at spacings of 1.2 meters until the system is completely assembled. The coffers are used as joist spacers and installed quickly without mortar or adhesives, creating their own work surface and avoiding the need for bulky and time-consuming scaffolding. The unique auto-inspection design of SpanBlock demands that all structural elements be clipped in place before the next coffer can be installed. Then, all joints are grouted. The underside of SpanBlock may be left exposed, sprayed with textured coatings, or it may be covered with wallboard or ceiling tile.
And the viability of its projects has been widely recognized by the media and by builders worldwide.